Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Setting up your trust wallet is a crucial first step into the world of decentralized finance, that is DeFi, and self-custody. Trust wallet is an uncustodial wallet, meaning you and only you have control over your private keys, making the setup process and security extremely important. The first step is to download and launch the official app. Begin by downloading the Trust Wallet mobile application right here. It is available for both iOS, that is in App Store, or if you're using Android like me, you'll find it right here in Google Play Store. Crucially, only use the official App Store links or the link from the official Trust Wallet website to avoid downloading a malicious imitation that could steal your funds. Once installed, launch the app and tap on Get Started or Create a new wallet. The second step is to create a passcode and biometrics. For local device security, you will be prompted to create a 6-digit passcode that is PIN. This passcode is what you will use to open the app and approve transactions on your phone. Most devices will also offer the option to enable biometric security, such as Face ID or fingerprint recognition. Enable this for faster, more secure access to your wallet on your device. Step 3 is the critical security step. That is, back up your secret phrase. This is the most vital part of the entire process. Your 12-word secret phrase, also known as a recovery phrase or seed phrase, is the master key to your entire wallet and all your cryptocurrency assets. Trust Wallet does not store this phrase. If you lose it, your funds are gone forever. So take note of that. You will be asked to confirm that you understand the risks. The app will then display your 12-word phrase. You must write this phrase down immediately on a piece of paper in the exact order shown. Never take a screenshot, save it digitally on your phone or computer, or even email it to yourself. As these methods are vulnerable to hacks, store this physical copy in a secure, fireproof, and waterproof location. Step 4 is to verify and complete the setup. After writing down your secret phrase, the app will ask you to verify it by tapping the words in the correct sequence. This step ensures that you have accurately recorded the phrase, which is necessary precaution before you start adding funds. Once verification is complete, a success message will appear and you will be taken to your main wallet screen. The next steps is to fund your wallet and manage assets. Your Trust Wallet is now set up and secure. The main screen will display your crypto balances, as you can see, initially showing default coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. To fund your wallet, tap on the asset you wish to receive, then select Receive. This will display your public wallet address, which is a long string of characters and a QR code. Copy this address and use it as the destination address when sending crypto from an exchange or another wallet. You can then use the wallet's features to swap tokens, explore dApps, that is decentralized applications, via the in-app browser, or even participate in staking to earn rewards. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.